We work before us, the commitment efforts of students and class teachers alike. Unique Chakula, along with staff bearer, have shaped the class marches the cause of rescue portions from the traffic pollution. It says in unison, the ocean is not our doing, liquid is the same. Experience, violence is an honor, yet it is credit and human collective.
Marching on the classroom, we have class 2 PCMEG, class teacher Mr. Vikas Roy, flag holder Isha K, and flag bearer Dinesh Bell. The class marching from the chorus for Indian They sing in unison, we are made in the Indian Armed Forces, frozen in snow, broad in sun, silent secular in our time, the great soldiers of our mind. Class of 2 BCMG salute the service of the Indian Armed Forces. Marching next, we have class 2 PCMCH, class teacher Mr. P.S. Simon Ganesh, placard holder Naomi Panitin, and flag bearer Neeraj PG. They say together that one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. To conquer ourselves means to dominate and take control of the difficulties we face. They hopefully advance, learn how to control themselves and to become a guardian but completely touching all the challenges that are present before them as a team. They believe learning to conquer will help them to enjoy the process of time, making them the best of the best. Diversified interests, but as a class of 2 BCMCH, march forward with the intent of conquering their goals. Marching for Education, class 2 BCMCI, class teacher, Ms. Priya Subramanian, placard holder, Sonu S, flag bearer, Tarun. The class marches for the cause, empowering with education. They march with the slogan, each one, each one. Despite knowing the importance of education, the class of 2 PCMCI take a vow to make this world a better place by giving back to the society through education.
Very slow. That's why they stop it. They stop it.
Marching in Greek is class 2 CAMSJ. Class teacher Ms. Rashmi N. Placard holder Zuha Sultana. Flag bearer Harshad G. Raja. The class marches for the cause of saving trees. The slogan is "I root." Sending huge shout out to Anthony's Maori character, who is a guardian of reality, keeping the people of the universe safe. Inspired class 2 CAMSJ to understand the importance and the need for peace. Class of 2 CAMSJ is marching for afforestation and saving trees in the state of global warming climate project. Holy Week is the paradigm shift that we are living for.
Marching next, we have class 2 CAMSK, class teacher Ms. Vidya Balakrishnan, placard holder Isha Nanda, flag bearer K.K. Chaman Saryaka. The march today as advocates of men's mental health awareness to believe that everybody's mental health matters. November is meant about mental health. Class teacher is Betsy Aaron, placard holder Aisha Hatpa, and flag bearer Maharashtra University. mission to amplify the cause of organ donation and act creating a profound bond among community strangers.
Guy walks like an ostrich.
Organ donation is a noble cause that turns loss into hope. One person can give us hope, including some foods, hearing, and believe in the God responsibility to create an awareness among the youth to donate their organs and around the world to create more than they march with a quote their motto and we can live even after we leave. Following this meeting, we have class 2 CSTM, class leader Mr. B. Garrett, Lata Yoder, Guru Sarabhiti, and class bearer Channa Sriwas. They are a model warriors.
Studied in US.
They have dedicated their march to all those brave individuals, like their parents, teachers, peers, remember even after they are gone. The class is part of the curriculum, remembering individuals who shape their lives, knowing and identity, helping them perfect the art of living. Coming up next, we have class 2 at 3 p.m. Class teacher Mr. Alvaro John, Lata Yoder, class bearer Caroline Taylor. The class hopes that document our endangered species in the brink of extinction and for the rights of these animals who cannot speak the medicine. They are moving to wildlife conservation and the revival of tourism, the adoption of tourism against animals in their lives. They believe that duty to be reserved for them.
All your juniors look like second years. Not even second years. Look like university kids. I don't know. Which class is this? I want to know.
Marching next, we have class 2 PPSO, class teacher is Ashita Alex, Lata Yoder, and P. Vivekanand, and class bearer Shivani Prakash. The class musicians spread the word about men's mental health and upload fight stigma, increase awareness. It's not very 60 men an hour, one man a minute lose their lives in suicide around the world. It's time to take action to end these numbers and build a world safe, secure, and inclusive for all children. That's who PPSO participating as government fighting against stereotypes that lead to poor relationships, mental health, and overall well-being. Our nation is as strong as its women.
Marching forward, we have class 2 CAMSR, class teacher Ms. Rosemary Jordan, Lata Yoder, Vishwan, class bearer Manoj in March to amplify this message, violence is not a solution. Violence against women continues to be an obstacle to achieving equality, development,